Yo, what is up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know what's going on, I'm going to be telling you guys the entire rundown, the entire situation of what we have. If you guys don't even know, throughout my birthday week in some of my videos, you guys may know that I am currently working on my room, right? You guys may know I am redecorating it. I am like 100% sure it's probably done by now. And I'm in my room right now, but I don't want to show you guys this yet because you guys might freak out if you guys see it. If you guys see it, so I really have to be in the white in the plain wall behind me because then I don't want you guys to see it yet completely because this is a whole different level. This room is made for me and you guys out here too, and out there too. So let's come along with me in this journey. Let's get this road going, and let's get this thing out in the open, guys. I want to show you guys my room tour of my dream room as an 18-year-old, as a senior of the class of 2025. Let's get the show on the road, and let's get right into the room tour of my dreams. So, guys, I'm not going to... Okay, I don't know if I should tell you guys this, but it's not 100% done yet because the lightings that I told you guys before, I'm gonna be pretty much have my gaming panel lights. Those stuff are not ready yet for a fact, but this room is completely done. So let me just show you guys entire thing. All right, guys, don't worry about the gaming panel light tour right now. I'll probably show you guys that in a couple of my other vlogs. Okay, so let's get this thing started. Oh, okay. I know there's so much to think about. All right, this is a totally amazing room. You guys may not know, I have my bed right here. Sorry if I am shaking, but okay. So here's my bed. I don't have the double decker. I don't have a bunk bed anymore. I'm a grown adult. I'm 18, so I suggest to make it like a normal bed. So my dad literally knocked it down, the top bunk out and everything, and the stairs and everything. So now my bed's fully like this. All finished. It's all finished. It's all finished. Everything's all completely ready. It's all gone. And now it's just this, the lower bunk bed, up and running. And now I can definitely sleep on this bed now like a normal, what people normally do. Use as a really nice bed. And, oh yes sir! Today, my dad put up this amazing gallery art wall that I really wanted to do this for a long time. So I have a Spider-Man one right here. This one actually goes. This Spider-Man one actually goes all the way to over there, as you guys see, right? But now it's here now, so it's pretty sick. It's like a gallery looking like, and then we got my new edition hockey plaque right up there. I got my middle school promotion one right there. And I got my newest addition to the art gallery wall. It's my new upgraded, the one that Gage gave to me as my birthday present. A signed poster for Stephen Curry. And you guys may know Stephen Curry is my biggest inspiration. So I have my entire wall, and hopefully, if there's more art that I want to show you guys, obviously I told my dad to do more stuff on this wall. So it'd be sick. Maybe add more right there. We'll see. But this looks pretty sick for right now. But I can't tell you guys yet. So this wall, this part of the wall with the bed, does go up with my name. All right. I know with the light, with the gaming panel light and stuff, but it's completely empty right now. But I'll show you guys in my future content. So don't worry about it, guys. We'll have everything under control. And here's my setup. Oh, sorry. I actually do have my channel up and running. So if you guys Guys, I don't know if I can tell you guys this, but look at my subscriber count. Like, look at my subscriber count, bro. Look at my subscriber count. Like, look at it. Look at my subscriber count right there. For 524 subs. Like, so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been my absolute dream to film for you guys out there, and like, please do subscribe to my channel because there's more new adventure to come and more content for you guys. Since I have a whole entire new room now, like, look at this. I even have my mic, everything here. You guys can see, like mic. I got my karaoke machine. Like, my dad hooked up some gaming strips, some gaming lights on me. So in my room, like, sing or do a karaoke night, this is a good place to sing, good place to do this amazing YouTube videos in, or just, yes sir, right now I'm shooting a video for you guys for Wednesday. And my dad went to Home Depot to buy an amazing strip light, LED white light, and it's bright, as you can see. That's why it's bright right now. But this is the whole reason why my room is so bright right now, because in my old room it's actually kind of dark at that time. The light wasn't even that bright, to be honest. But this light now that I have is super intense, so it's really easy for me to film content for you guys. So it'll be brighter, and I can sing for you guys in my room, which is gonna be, and film content in my room. So I don't have to go to my other room that I usually go to. If you can see by my birthday week and some of my other videos, you will see that in that room was super bright at that time. This room wasn't even that bright at all, but this room now is super insane epic that you guys may want to watch more of my videos. So I'm gonna be in this room a lot. I'm gonna be filming for you guys some cool singing ones, some dancing ones, probably, right? Probably some updates here and there, and room tours if you guys want to. Like, it would be so sick. Like, this is what I wish for in my room. But this is amazing. But one thing that is missing is my gaming panel lights, which is, I'm going to show you guys that in my future content and all of that. So that's everything for right now that I want to tell you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, and please don't forget the post notifications. Dreams do come true. So work hard and be good to your parents, and hope for the best, that everything will go well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace.